Immaculate Bites, it's all this collection of recipes from all over the world that I make from scratch in my kitchen. Originally, I'm from Africa and I felt like I always wanted to do something with food. So I wanted to blog because I wanted to create recipes that I didn't see online. A lot of people of color were not showcasing a lot of recipes. So I decided I had to put African, Caribbean, soul food, anything that was Black, I had to put it out there. And it quickly evolved into everyday recipes. It started off, it was like a hobby, and this blog has grown so much. It's become so successful that I can hire people. So I've created a company that I never, ever thought I would. Basically, the whole family is involved in this. I have my son, he's 12. He helps me with it. And then sometimes for them to just come and, taste it and see, is the recipe working? So they support me through this journey. I love my readers because they make me want to keep doing this. Sometimes you get a sweet email how they never thought they could make a recipe, but you made it so easy for them. That is the most rewarding thing I get. That is why I love this job. So my biggest concern with the third-party cookies is how is that going to affect me? And I have so many people depending on me. So that is seriously going to negatively affect not just only me, it's going to affect my family, it's going to affect other families that I have employed right now. I love the challenges that comes with it. And I want my son to look back and say, oh my goodness, look at what my mom created. And she did this through hard work. I'm Ima of Immaculate Bites. Let's keep the internet open for cooking.